I'm the county youth leader, Kisii County, and here is the statement the youths from Kisii County are making. That today, 15th August 2020, Fort Kenya National Youth Leader, Mr. Fred Asila, meets as Fort Kenya youths in Kisii County, led by Geoffrey, in the presence of Kisii County Fort Kenya Chairman Job Okemwa Kenyanya. This was a routine consultative Fort Kenya youth meetings in Kisii to support the 31st May 2020 ouster of former party leader Bungoma Senator Moses Masika Wetangula, and then National Organizing Secretary Mr. Chris Mandumani. That Fort Kenya youths in Kisii County have witnessed a positive change since Weta left office. The new party leadership, led by Honorable Athanas Wafula Wamunyinyi and Honorable Dr. David Eseli Simiyu, have shown their interest to revamp and revitalize the party, Fort Kenya, in all parts of the Republic of Kenya, and redeem its past glory and the popularity it enjoyed in the 90s. That youths denounce Wetangula and his pitchmen by trying to cling into the party when the apex organ NEC on 31st May 20 dismissed him and properly replaced him with Honorable Wamunyinyi, and his efforts to hang on through courts can't help him as the owner of the owners of the party have since rejected him. That the party now enjoys freedom from autocratic Weta rule and has reversed into its motto of equity, justice, and truth, that is usawa, haki na ukweli. That all youths in Kisii County will mobilize themselves and support any 2022 candidate on Fort Kenya ticket party, ranging from presidency, senator, governor, MP, and MCA, because the party is a reformist party with a sound founding doctrine and manifesto where the future of the youths lie. That any effort by former party leader to call a NEC on 17th August 2020 at Karen should be ignored by Fort Kenya family members as inconsequential and a contempt of court and against the registrar of political parties and tribunal. Thank you.